Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa if this is your first time seeing any one of my videos, and my platform is named Naturealizta.beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and if you like what you see at any point in this video, don't hesitate to stop, to subscribe, to like, comment down below anything that's on your mind at any point in this video, and while you're at it, check out one of my other videos. Today, I will be kicking off something that I want to start on my channel, the NB Deep Conditioner series. During this series, I will be demoing, reviewing, and just showing and giving my impressions of a different deep conditioner every once in a while, so you can see how I apply it and I can let you know what I truly think about it and if I would recommend it. Today, I will be starting off with the Alikay Naturals Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask. I am currently a Alikay Naturals Alikay girl, which is a brand ambassador for the summer, and I will be showing you how I apply it after washing my hair, my hair is fully washed and fully clean. I use the black soap moisturizing shampoo, and my hair is like squeaky clean, but it doesn't feel dry. So whenever you get a chance, if you want to try that product or this product or any other of their products on their website, I do have a discount code. It is MEL15. You can use that code and just get some extra coins off, because I know we could all use some coins off. I will be showing you how it looks before I use it, and this is actually a fresh bottle. It's all green and you can see that it has herbs inside of it. So my hair is currently in 5 sectioned off twists, and I usually wash my hair after I detangle it and put it into sections, and I just wash my hair like this, so it's just easier to wash and I won't have to do the detangling process again. So that's just something I do because my hair is really kinky and I see that it works the best for me. This conditioner asks you to apply to wet hair and part hair into 2 to 4 sections. I already have 5, so I'm just gonna do it like that, and finger comb your hair to remove tangles. I am told to apply this liberally, focusing on the ends of my hair and massage evenly from root to tips. I am also directed to cover with a plastic conditioning cap and let the product sit for 30 minutes without heat, or for maximum moisturizing benefits, sit underneath a hooded dryer or hair steamer for 20 minutes. Rinse and then style as usual. So at first I do smell this conditioner, and I'm not even gonna lie, it has a soft scent. It smells like a blend of avocado and cucumber melon, and you can tell that it's made with herbs, and this is the consistency. So you see it's not really falling off. It has a bit of thickness. It's not as thick as other deep conditioners that I use, but I think it's thick enough for me to give it a chance. So without further ado, let's go. Hey everybody, so I have my spray bottle and my shower cap and this deep conditioner, and I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and just refresh my hair, trying to get it as moist as I can before actually applying the conditioner to my hair. As I'm applying it, I automatically feel like my hair is getting soft and is soaking it in, even though I would expect this from an even thicker conditioner. But now that I think about it, this is type thick. I'm loving how this feels right now, and my fingers are just slipping through my hair. Like literally I can pull my hair apart and finger detangle and then just separate it by the curls, and you saw that definition. So what I'm doing right now is just going to each twist that I had after I washed my hair, apply the deep conditioner, and then use it to finger detangle one more time before I move on to the next section. And as you can see here, I'm just re-wetting the section again before applying it, just in case the section dried off or wasn't damp enough for me. So seriously, I am feeling this. This was already my favorite part of wash day, and I just love when I find treatments that I feel like my hair responds to well. I'm just finger detangling this last section before I began to apply some to my edges. And then I will retwist up the section and rinse out. Just show y'all this hair. I know you see it. Yes. So I'm just going all around my head and doing one more finger detangle for each section and then twisting it up. The reason I like to wash my hair and twist and deep condition my hair and twist and rinse out and twist is to avoid further tangles, and I just can't deal with that because my hair is very coily, and I know that that was the problem that I had when I thought about what takes up the most of my wash day time. So I am just going to put this cap on my head and wrap my towel around and then let it sit for 30 minutes. Wait, 30 minutes or maybe a little bit more. Hey everybody, so I am back. Time is over. I kind of let this sit a bit longer than expected, but seems like everything deeply penetrated into my hair. My hair feels soft right now, yeah. Okay, yes. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so good. I didn't even wash it out yet, but I just feel the difference because I know my hair was thirsty. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is go wash my hair out. But before I do so, I wanted to let you guys know that so far, even though the deep conditioner was not as thick as I thought it would be, it actually did a great job of melting into my hair. And then once it got into my hair strands, I was able to easily separate my strands, easily able to rake through it, and it was easy to see the definition that the treatment left in my hair. It smelled good. I have about, I'm gonna estimate about 3 more uses out of that specific bottle. But so far, I feel like I like it and I will be using it again. So if you do wanna get your hands on any products from Alikay Naturals, you can feel free to use my code right now on the website. It is once again MEL15. Or you can go in any beauty supply store, you can go to the pharmacy. It's basically everywhere. It's Target, like you can find Alikay Naturals everywhere. It's up to you, but I do highly suggest. Anyway, I will be back with more videos, more deep treatments, more hair masks, more protein treatment videos. If there is something specifically that you want me to try, don't hesitate to leave it down below. If you had specifically tried this deep conditioner, also let me know how it worked for you. Don't forget to follow me on social media at Naturealizta.beauty, both on Instagram and Facebook. And I am asking that if you liked this video and it was very therapeutic for you to watch, if it was something you liked, you know, because I know you like me, I'm gonna ask that you subscribe down below and click the bell for post notifications for future uploads. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for visiting my channel, and I hope you come back soon. Be blessed and have a great day. Thank you.